We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this animal, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as leopard. Leopard. You do want to stress on the first syllable. Leopard. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as leopard. Leopard, with a more distinct R sound. Leopard in American English versus leopard in British English. Did you get it? Can you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more animal names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.